Hong Kong is an international metropolis where you can find thousands of restaurants offering all types of cuisine. The backbone of its thriving catering industry is its workforce. To fulfill an ever-growing demand for new talent, the International Culinary Institute, ICI, provides vocational and professional education and training for the industry. A congenial learning environment is indispensable to successful career development. ICI's campus is inspired in its design by a grain of salt, translucent in appearance to maximize natural light within, and complete with state-of-the-art equipment and facilities. The surrounding heritage trail and historical buildings lend the campus a cultural touch, which makes it an ideal place for both learning and teaching. ICI provides culinary programs covering cuisines of Europe, the Mediterranean, the Middle East, Asia, and the Americas. Kitchens dedicated to the training of various culinary traditions facilitate students' learning of authentic international cuisines. The Culinarium is a multi-purpose kitchen, a venue for day-to-day training, trade testing, culinary competitions, and demonstrations. ICI is equipped with a wine forum, where students can learn about food and wine pairing, wine storage, and trading. The Hall of Gastronomy provides a learning environment for students to apply their event planning and management skills and knowledge in a real-life context. The sensory laboratory and experimental kitchen are set up to strengthen students' knowledge in culinary science. Other training facilities include the bakery studio, patisserie and chocolate atelier, and Café Manson, where visitors can enjoy student-crafted products. ICI invites acclaimed master chefs from around the world as honorary advisors to provide input on programs and the development of the Institute. ICI's programs are accredited and recognized by professional bodies internationally. Graduates of the higher diploma programs are eligible to go on to further academic or professional attainment via our established articulation pathways. While ICI's programs are recognized by professional associations and governmental departments worldwide, ICI partners with professional accreditation organizations in Germany to offer Western cuisine and pastry trade tests for practicing chefs in Hong Kong to obtain internationally recognized qualifications. To widen students' exposure, ICI collaborates with renowned culinary schools and wine organizations around the world for overseas exchanges, chef demonstrations, seminars, student internships, and international culinary competitions and events. A member of the Vocational Training Council, VTC, ICI provides a variety of programs including full-time certificate, diploma, and higher diploma programs, as well as part-time skill upgrading and professional development programs to empower students and in-service professionals for career advancement. Nurturing new talent to contribute to Hong Kong's flourishing catering industry and to ensure it retains the honor of being Asia's wine and dine destination, ICI is here and ready to serve.